2 days ago, it was my last day at the office. I packed my stuff, hopped on a plane, and now I'm here in Fukuoka. Ohio from Fukuoka. This is the beginning of the first full day in Japan. My body still has to adjust to the new time zone, but I'm not as jet lagged as I thought I would be. Still, the best day to start the day. It's a very good iced coffee. What's crazy is that not only I'm one of the very few Westerners all around, but most of the people right now are going to the office and they are dressed with a very formal attire with suit and tie and so on. And I'm the only one dressed in bright green, red shoes. I think everybody can spot me from 1 kilometer afar. What most of you, of course, don't know is that I've actually already been to Japan 6 years ago. That's the most touristic and traditional tour. It's already in my books. So instead, I came to Kyushu, which is another region, the southernmost big island of Japan. So we're spending 1 week here, traveling all around the island and discovering something different from the usual path in Japan. We start our visit from the neighborhood of Hakata, which is the old part of the town, where it's plenty of shrines and temples. And right now we start from Oi Temple, sorry Japanese people for my pronunciation, which contains the biggest wooden Buddha statue in Japan, in the world, something like that. Wow, that statue was huge! Wow, what a start! This is the Shokofuji, and it seems like we are in the Garden of Heaven. We are now in the middle of Higashi Park. We're on top of the hill with an amazing statue of the Emperor. And behind me, all this huge, wonderful park in the middle of the city. As crazy as it might seem, there are actually 2 shrines in the middle of the park. Tokka e Biju shrine with a wonderful torii at the entrance. I All over the city, there's plenty of smaller shrines that if you don't pay close attention, you're gonna miss them. A visit to the shrine is called Omairi. The torii is the main entrance gate and you should gently bow in front of it. Then cross it taking your first step with your left foot. Then, to purify yourself, you go to the Temizuya following this process. Begin taking the ladle with your right hand and scoop water from the basin. Start washing your left hand, switch and wash your right one. Then switch again, with a little bit of water in your left hand, rinse your mouth. Finally, hold the ladle vertically to empty it. You are now ready to pay your respects to the gods. Begin with a slight bow, then gently toss a coin into the box in front of you. The amount of money doesn't matter. Ring the bell a couple of times if there's one, then deeply bow twice. Clap twice with your left hand slightly in front, and to finish, deeply bow once more. We have finally reached our final destination in the northern part of the city, which is Shrine Hakozaki. I love it that among the good luck wishes, there are also good championship wishes for the local sports team. Keep this in mind. We are back to the old part of Hakata and we are at Kushida Shrine. One thing I love about Japan is that what they say in the menu is exactly what you get. This is what I ordered, this is what I got. I mean, come on. I will now show you a magic trick. I will make this food disappear. 1, 2, 3. Done. We keep crossing the city to reach the area of Tenjin. In Japan there are two shops where I could spend the whole day and not get tired. First one is Don Quixote, where you can find literally anything from the paperclip to a new watch. And the second one is Mandarake. In Mandarake you can find literally anything for your nerd side. For example, comics, lots of comics. Vintage video games, music, some amazing collectibles, and also some weird ones. If you're into K-pop, there are also, I don't know, postcards with the local celebrities, stickers, toys. The weird stuff is very weird. Very weird. And by weird I mean there's a whole pile of waifus to select. And much more, trust me. I was a good boy, I didn't buy anything. What? Okay, you got me. There was this little toy of a robot that has probably 5 seconds of screen time in Star Wars Episode 9. This is a testament of the crazy stuff that you can find at Mandarake. If you want to escape some of the city craziness, you just have to turn around and enter Ohori Park. The golden nugget of the park is definitely the lake, with the beautiful island and the bridge crossing. Lots of people come here to relax, jog, have a walk. It's a very nice area, and maybe we should relax a little bit as well. But unfortunately we have a commitment in less than 2 hours, so no time to rest. Better go. We have finally reached our final destination for the day, which is the Fukuoka Beipeido. I've never been to a baseball game before, so this is gonna be fun. I just know baseball basic rules, but with a t-shirt in the colorway of the team and a towel with written something in Japanese, I think I can fake it as the best supporter ever. At least I will try. This was a fun experience, very different atmosphere from what you can find in Italy. I'm tired, very tired, but the day is not over yet. And we have finally arrived to our last landmark of the day, which is Fukuoka Tower. It's 234 meters tall. It's got different colors depending on the season. There's a bar, a restaurant, a photo corner on top, but for today I'm done. So, because I'm starving, it's time to go to the best ramen restaurant in the city, which is Ichiran, a popular ramen chain that was born in this region, which is very famous for their tonkotsu style ramen. Let's go. The best part is that there's only one ramen that you can select, but you can customize each and every detail.
ます。ありがとうございます。お待たせいたしました。
ありがとう。
それでは失礼いたします。
Today I walked more than 30 kilometers and I'm still counting while returning to the hotel. This video is going to be too long, but I am very proud that I've done everything that it's humanly possible to do in Fukuoka in just one day. If you like this video and want to support this project, leave a like, comment below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Now I'm clocking out. Sayonara.